Good morning. Welcome back to Split Life Productions. My name is Nate, and this is your morning reaction. Okay, so we're going to check out a new band today. This is the band called Vicious Rain and their song featuring Hysteria featuring Half Me. So, a rising empire. Yeah, right? A rising empire, always coming in with new bands and new stuff. So I'm always looking forward to this stuff. So let's see. Looks like it's coming off of their upcoming album. There is Beauty in Letting Go out October 11th. So that's coming up soon. That's like 2 weeks away. Right? Like 2 weeks away. So yeah, let's check it out. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Ooh, that's dirty. I like that. Ooh. Okay, first off, I love this dude's vocals. Like, this dude's tone is so good. But, oh man, okay. Just getting right into the first breakdown of the song. I'm so hyped. Ooh. Ooh, that's a good chorus. I really like that chorus. Just constantly driving that tempo. Oh, love it. Oh boy. Hold on, I gotta hit that again. Guest spot, love it. Like that vocal tone with the main guy's vocals. That was such a nice change. Oh, just that first bent bow into like nothingness. Oh, that's so good. Like the main guy's vocals, like with that vocal tone blends in so well when that chorus hits. Like that is like the ideal vocal tone when you're having cleans singing and you have harshes underneath. Like that isn't like almost the perfect tone to have for the choruses. Like his, I want to hear what his like lows can like what his lows can really do. Ooh, that was a good fill. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was Vicious Rain, new song Hysteria off their upcoming album. This, I'm going to have to put this on my like this is going on first off, this is going on my Spotify list. 100%. Like, but I got 2 weeks till they drop their album, so I'm looking forward to that. Like that was really good. I'm really impressed by that. So yeah, if you liked this as well, you know, the links to the band, their socials, as well as the links to this video will be in the description of this video down below. And if you have any songs that I should probably check out as well, you can put them in the comment section, or you could reach out to me on Facebook and on Twitter, which those are going to be in the description as well. And then, yeah, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when all videos come out. Morning reactions every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then the gaming videos. Trying to be Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays. Yeah, as we continue to go through Resident Evil 7, Biohazard, and the rest of LEGO Star Wars. And then, yeah, and then playing Chained Together with Spectrefex. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your morning.